We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the Astronaut Galaxy Projector, Star Projector Galaxy Light, Nightlight for Kids, Nebula Ceiling LED Lamp, Room Decor, with timer and remote, gifts for birthdays by FSSQB FLC. If you own this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Astronaut Galaxy Projector has quickly become a standout in the world of decorative lighting and nightlights, capturing the imagination of children and adults alike. Its unique astronaut-themed design, combined with advanced projection technology, sets it apart from many other nightlights and star projectors on the market. The product is designed to transform any room into a relaxing and immersive galaxy, making it an ideal addition to bedrooms, living rooms, game rooms, home theaters, and even cars or tents for special occasions. One of the most praised aspects of the Astronaut Galaxy Projector is its visual performance. The device offers up to 8 stunning nebula effects, each accompanied by green stars that can be projected onto walls or ceilings. Users consistently highlight the realism and vibrancy of the projections, noting that the stars and nebulae create a magical and calming atmosphere. Parents report that their children are captivated by the display, often making it a central part of their bedtime routine. The ability to read a book under the stars or simply unwind while gazing at the shifting colors and patterns is a recurring theme in user feedback. Many reviewers emphasize that the visuals are not only beautiful, but also help children and adults relax and fall asleep more easily. The projector's versatility is another major selling point. It is suitable for a wide range of settings and occasions, from everyday use as a nightlight in a child's bedroom to creating a romantic or festive atmosphere for special events such as Valentine's Day, Christmas, weddings, or parties. The device is also popular among students living in dorms who appreciate its compact size and ability to make small spaces feel more inviting and personal. The astronaut design itself is frequently described as both cute and stylish, making the projector a decorative piece even when not in use. The astronaut's head can rotate 360 degrees, allowing users to adjust the projection angle with ease and direct the light exactly where they want it. Ease of use is a consistent highlight in user reviews. The Astronaut Galaxy Projector features 2 control methods, buttons on the back of the device and a remote control. The remote enables users to adjust a wide range of settings, including switching between nebula and starlight modes, changing the color and brightness of the nebula, and controlling the flickering frequency of the stars. This flexibility allows users to customize the experience to suit their mood or activity. The remote also provides access to a timer function, which can be set for 60 or 120 minutes. Once the timer is activated, the projector will automatically turn off when the set time is reached, adding convenience and energy efficiency to its list of benefits. The product's build quality receives generally positive marks, especially when compared to other star projectors in a similar price range. Multiple reviewers mentioned that previous purchases of similar products were disappointing due to flimsy construction and poor performance, but the Astronaut Galaxy Projector exceeded their expectations. The device is described as sturdy, well-made, and not cheap-looking. Its compact dimensions, approximately 3.38 inches in diameter, 2.99 inches in width, and 4.92 inches in height, make it easy to place on a dresser, desk, or nightstand without taking up too much space. The included components, such as the remote control, power cord, and instruction manual, ensure that setup is straightforward and hassle-free. In terms of technical specifications, the projector uses energy-efficient LED lights and offers a range of color-changing options. The shade is made of durable plastic, and the product is finished with a coated surface for added durability. It is powered via a wired USB connection and is not cordless, which may be a consideration for those planning to use it in locations without easy access to power outlets. The device is also described as waterproof, which adds a layer of safety and versatility for different usage scenarios. The manufacturer Guangzhou Haoshi Maoyi Yuxiangongxi has designed the projector to be both functional and visually appealing, with attention to detail in both the astronaut motif and the quality of the light effects. User reviews highlight several key pros of the Astronaut Galaxy Projector. The timer function is frequently cited as a valuable feature, allowing parents to set the device to turn off automatically after their child falls asleep. The ability to adjust brightness, speed, and projection direction is also appreciated, as it enables users to tailor the experience to their needs. The projector's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to move between rooms or take on trips, and the remote control adds a layer of convenience that is especially useful for parents and children alike. The overall value for money is another recurring theme, with many users stating that the projector offers impressive performance and features at an affordable price. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. The most commonly mentioned con is the brightness of the light. Several reviewers warn that the projector is extremely bright and can hurt your eyes if you look directly into it. This makes it less suitable for very young children or toddlers who may not understand the need to avoid staring at the light source. Some users suggest that parental supervision is necessary, especially in households with younger children. Another issue raised by a small number of users is related to durability and power management. One reviewer reported that the projector stopped working after being used with multiple devices on the same power circuit in a dorm room, and that the buttons on the back became unresponsive. While this appears to be an isolated incident, it highlights the importance of using the devices directed and ensuring that it is not overloaded by sharing a circuit with too many other electronics. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overwhelming majority of reviews are positive. Users consistently describe the Astronaut Galaxy Projector as a fun, engaging, and high-quality addition to their homes. It is particularly popular as a gift for children, with many parents noting that their kids look forward to using it every night. The device is also appreciated by adults who enjoy its calming effects and ability to create a unique ambiance for relaxation or entertainment. The realistic and dynamic star and nebula projections are frequently cited as the best features, with many users stating that the projector exceeded their expectations in terms of both performance and aesthetics. The Astronaut Galaxy Projector's popularity is reflected in its strong customer ratings, with an average score of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on over 1,500 reviews. It ranks highly in the nightlights category and is a bestseller in the tools and home improvement section. Its combination of innovative design, versatile features, and user-friendly controls make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their living space with a touch of cosmic wonder. In summary, the Astronaut Galaxy Projector by FSSQ BFLC is a well-designed and highly functional decorative light that appeals to a wide range of users. Its strengths include stunning and realistic projections, ease of use, flexible controls, and a charming astronaut design that doubles as room decor. The device is suitable for children and adults alike, making it a versatile gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. While it is important to be mindful of the projector's brightness and ensure it is used safely, the overall consensus is that this product delivers excellent value and performance. If you are considering a star projector for your home or as a gift, the Astronaut Galaxy Projector is highly recommended by users across the internet. Remember to check the product link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And please share your own experience with this projector in the comments to help others make an informed choice.